In this video, I'm going to show you how to seal around your window frames where it meets the brickwork. Make sure the areas you're going to apply the sealant to is clean and dust free. Apply a strip of masking tape along the edge of the frame about 5mm in, and also along the edge of the brickwork to get a neater line of silicone. Cut the nozzle at a 45-degree angle, place it in between the masking tape strips and start to pull the handle on your silicone gun. Once the adhesive or sealant starts to come out, move it down at a continuous pace. Then take a silicone wipe, make sure your fingers are nice and clean, and you can start to smooth off the sealant. Now you don't wait for this to dry. As soon as you've smoothed it, you can start to move the masking tape off. You're looking for more 60-second tips? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.